Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 8mm screws and two 4mm screws and loosen the two captive screws in the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palmrest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove 6 4mm screws from the battery. Gently lift up on the battery to unplug it from the motherboard. Remove 4 2.5mm screws from the speakers. Lift the speakers off their posts, unwind the cable from its grooves, and unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Peel back the tape covering the touchpad screws. And remove the 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and pop the touchpad free to remove. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the Daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Remove 2 4mm screws, 2 3mm screws, and 2 2mm screws from the Daughterboard. Remove the bracket, and gently lift up and pull back on the Daughterboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Remove the plastic covering, and gently lift up on the antenna cables to unplug them from the Wi-Fi card. Remove 1 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Gently pull back to unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Remove 3 3mm screws and 1 2mm screw from the motherboard. Lift the motherboard partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the last Daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Remove 2 2mm screws from the Daughterboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the Daughterboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Unwind the LCD cable and the antenna cables from their grooves. And remove 6 4mm screws from the hinges. Lift the Palmrest partway up and gently wiggle it free from the LCD assembly. Gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. There may be adhesive underneath, so take your time and try to avoid using too much force. Remove 4 2mm screws from the LCD panel. Lift the panel up and lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Remove 2 2mm screws from the upper bracket. Pop the bracket free. And remove 6 2mm screws from the hinges. Unwind the LCD cable and the antenna cables and remove the hinges. Peel the LCD cable from the back cover. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the cable from the camera. Gently insert the spudger and work it along the bottom of the camera to pry it free from the back cover. Take care not to use too much force as the camera can easily bend or snap.